All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Nissan Rogue. It is the SV two-wheel drive model. It's beautiful gray with black interior, alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering controls, backup camera, fog, roof racks. Super nice and best of all, minimum damage. Does have 54,000 miles on this. Front bumper looks good. Front hood looks good. Front fender looks good. Your front driver's rim looks good. I don't see any curbing on it. Any tire thread is just at 730 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. This quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's rim. I don't see any curbing there. And your tire thread just under 730 seconds. Then I shutter your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It is a powered seat. Let me jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. It is a push start system. It does come with two key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Actually, I'm sorry, no owner's manuals. I normally say that so much. No owner's manuals on this one. You got AM, FM, CD player, honestly, and all that good stuff. You got your backup camera. You got your AC controls right down below. Dual AC control. Steering controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues, and your mileage of 42,615. Looks good. Here is your rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest. The cup holders coming around. Rear bumper looks pretty good. Your rear deck lid looks pretty good. Of course, got your trunk space. Pretty big and spacious. These little things move around. There is a spare tire here with some tools and such, I am sure. Pretty much it for here. This quarter looks good. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. The tire thread. Just under 730 seconds. This door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have rear AC vents. This door looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. Your tire thread just under 730 seconds. Headlights are on. Car is working. Things are beautiful, folks. Once again, a beautiful 2017 Nissan Rogue SV model with 54,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns? Don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.